Hello, beautiful souls. This is Neetu Jha, and I am coming up with the Shiva Panchtatva workshop, a magical way to heal the health. If you are the one who is looking for a tool to heal any kind of health related issues, then this workshop is for you. The workshop contains two levels. First level is a basic level, and second level is a master level. In basic level, I teach how you can heal any non-chronic issues simply by drawing the symbols, and the chronic issues by using a set of processes. This is one of the most popular course, and more than 500 students have already learned this course and utilizing this in their day-to-day life to heal their family, to heal themselves, and to heal their clients. So if you are the one who is looking for a tool to heal themselves, their family members, their loved ones, and their client, then this workshop is for you. Every day I post several feedback on this course, so you may read the feedback related to Shiva Panchtatva in my profile. If you are having any question, please DM me. Thank you.